Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, as you saw from the title, we will be unboxing our IPSY Glam Bag X. Yes, this is an X month, and for those of you who are not familiar, I will leave all the information down below with all things IPSY, from the IPSY Glam Bag to the Glam Bag Plus, and now the Glam Bag X. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is jump into the box and see what's inside. Oh, it's full. And well, ALICIA Keys, okay, is our curator for the month of August, okay? And it says, ALICIA Keys wants you to love the skin you're in. And let's see what products she decided to pass on to us. Okay, and she says, empowered state of mind. ALICIA Keys is rewriting the beauty rules. So she says she can't wait for you to experience her IPSY Glam Bag X collection. She says she curated these offerings to serve as a treat for your hair, skin, body, and most importantly, your soul. Now she wants us to love these products as much as she does. Okay, so let's just see what's here. And the first item that I have, I don't like doing eyeshadows first because we want to swatch them and we don't want to get them on our clothes or anything else like that. So we'll come back to those. All right, so let's start with the ALICIA Keys Mind, Body, and Soul Care. All right, so the first item that I have is this one right here, and this is the Sacred Body Oil. How about that? Okay, and it says help soothe, moisturize, firm, and brighten your skin, while the sage and oat milk scent brings comfort, clarity, and balance. And Alicia's tip says apply this using sweeping upward motions to help energize the heart and mind. The manufacturer suggested retail price. I love her items because they are affordable. $25. And this is a 1.69 fluid ounce size. All right, and it says it was created with marula oil and baobab oil. Okay, and it says everything you do is an act of creation. This is a cruelty-free product. And let's see what kind of shelf life it has. Well, it doesn't necessarily say on the box, so let's just open it up and look at the product itself. Okay, and this is what the inside packaging looks like. That is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Now, it says it has a 9-month shelf life. So as much as I want to open it and smell it right now, I'm not ready to do that. Well, it's a body oil. So look, it can't hurt. We can go ahead and use it. Go ahead and use it. So let's just see. Oh, that's nice. We're just going to put a little bit in our hands. Ooh. That feels nice. And it's absorbing very, very quickly. I definitely like. Very nice. Oh, that smells very relaxing. And I don't know what relaxing is supposed to smell like, but this really is very relaxing to the senses even. Oh, I like that. Like it a lot. Okay, I'll be using that now. Get out the shower before I put on my moisturizer. Yeah, that'll work. That'll work. Then the second item I have, let's put this one to the side. Don't want any to spill, so I'm closing it up. Then the next item that I have is also by Keys Soul Care, and this is the Luminous Exfoliant, okay? And it says customize your cleansing experience with this water activated powder to foam exfoliator. It says add less water for a more intense exfoliation, okay? This too is $25. So let's just check out this. It says it's a 2.29 fluid ounce size. It says it's Hojica powder and lactic acid, all right? This one has a 9-month shelf life as well. And it is also a cruelty-free product. And this is what the packaging on the inside actually looked like. Very, very nice. I like her color choice for her packaging. This is beautiful. It says, I am layered, complex, and divine. Yes, I am. It's a lot of layers to me. Okay, so that is item number 2. So we're going to put this one to the side as well. Okay, we're going back into the box. And the next item that I do have products from this company, which I love. This is the OC Essential Hydrating Oil. Okay, and this is what the outer packaging looks like. It says, make this your glow-to oil. It's ultra nourishing, lightweight, and helps to minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, as well as plump and moisturize your skin. Okay? And Alicia's tip for this one is, says, keep this oil in the fridge to help soothe and calm your skin even more. Okay? And this is what the inner packaging looks like. And this is a clean product. It's vegan and cruelty-free. It's gluten-free, and it's made in California. It is a 1 fluid ounce size. And it says, massage into the face and neck after cleansing. Use morning and night. Okay, nourishing blend of 8 essential oils, visibly plump skin and reduces appearance of fine lines. With jojoba and macadamia oils, this delivers all-day moisture for a glowing complexion. Okay, and let's see what kind of shelf life this package has. Okay, now this explanation I like better. It says this is an anti-aging miracle. Yes. Okay, and I do not see a expiration date on it, but this is a beautiful package that it comes in, and you know what? Let's just go ahead and check it out. Okay, I just put a little drop on. Oh, this smells wonderful. It smells absolutely wonderful. If nothing else, my skin is going to be well nourished, okay, by the time we finish this unboxing. Okay, so that is item number 3. So that was nice skincare so far, okay? Then the next item that we have is a another skincare product. And this one is by the company Go-To, and this is Skin Party with squalene, shea butter, and sweet almond oil. It says give your body the replenishment and fun it deserves. And this is what the packaging looks like. And it says Skin Party might sound like fun and games, but this non-sticky lotion doesn't mess around when it comes to hydration. Now, Alicia's tip for this product says work this over damp, just out of the shower skin to max out the benefits. And the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $24. This is a 6.8 fluid ounce size, or 200 milliliters. And it says it will deeply hydrate and restore even very dry skin, seal in moisture, maintain the skin's barrier, and keep skin soft, smooth, and happy. But it won't ever chew with its mouth open. Gross. Really, y'all? And this one has a 12-month shelf life. Okay? So, oh, it smells nice. And it's sealed, and I can smell it like that. Okay, maybe it's because I have so much other stuff on my hands. But this will be put to the side so we have it when it's time to put on that extra layer of lotion. Okay? We're getting ready to talk about some palettes, y'all. All right? So, the first one is by the company One Size, and if I'm not mistaken, this one is Patrick Star. I believe this is Patrick Star's brand. Okay, and it says this is the Turn Up the Base Versatile Foundation Powder. Okay. The shade that I have is Dark 3 Golden. All right, let me cover the mirror and I'll show you what this shade looks like. Okay, so I'm pretty certain I can get by with this one. Okay, we'll see soon, because when we do our try and review and first impression, I will definitely be using this one. Okay, I like it a lot. I like his packaging. So the next item that we have is by Lawless, and this is the Baby One eyeshadow palette. And it says the balance of brown, rich rose, crimson, and plummy tones complement any skin tone and eye color to enhance your natural beauty. Alicia says, I love how you can get everything in one place. Because y'all know we grab a bunch of palettes to complete a look. All right, so this is the outer packaging, and this is what the inner packaging looks like. All right, and this one has a 12-month shelf life. It is talc free, and it is an 8-shade palette, and these shades are gorgeous. You truly can complete an entire eyeshadow look with this. I'm telling you, it has mattes, shimmers. Look at that. How about those shades? Shall we swatch? Of course we shall. Okay. All right, and here are the shades that I swatched. And starting at the top, that one is Forever Mine. And then the middle one is Baby Love. And the one on the bottom is Little Doll. Look at that. Those are gorgeous. And I guess it doesn't hurt that my skin was moisturized before I put them on, because it's really making it pop. Really making it pop. I like a lot. And the next item that we have, and if I'm not mistaken, it's the last. And this is by Danessa Myricks. Now, I love Messa Myers products. I'm just going to tell you flat out. I love them. All right, and this is what the outer packaging looks like. And this is the Dewy Cheek and Lip Palette. Okay, it says channel your inner artist with this multi-use palette. The lightweight creams melt right into your skin and leave behind radiant color. All right, and Alicia's tip says pick a shade and tap it all over. You can't go wrong with a monochromatic look. And the manufacturer's suggested retail price for this one is $32. Okay? Very nice. This is just gorgeous. This is what the inside packaging looks like, okay? Now, I know you can see the shades, but now you can see them even better. Now, do we want to swatch these? Of course we do. Going from left to right. The shades are Top Secret, Wallflower, Nuditude, and Hush Hush. Let me tell you something. These are some gorgeous cheek shades, lip shades. Let's just swatch. I'll take a picture of my arm and I'll put it up here. And the color payoff is amazing. Now this Hush Hush, this one is so close to my skin tone, it would make an absolute gorgeous nude. Absolute gorgeous. Okay, love this. Love, love, love it. Okay, oh my goodness. I am happy to have received this. I have to go back in and check and see if these are items that I picked, because you know with IPSY, they choose some and then you get to choose some. But this is gorgeous. Love, love, love it. Dewy Cheek and Lip Palette. You know what? I'm about to put this on my lips. Okay, let's take the darker one and kind of line it. What do you think of that? It feels amazing. That I have to say. Yes and yes. Okay, now let me tell you something. I am extremely pleased with this Glam Bag X. Oh, I love it. Yes, ALICIA Keys, yes and yes. Okay, I am truly feeling this. What are your thoughts? Okay, share with me down below. If you received the Glam Bag X, tell me what you liked in that box. This right here, I am so here for it. It feels amazing, and I'm sure if I really wanted the color to pop more, just keep building. Okay, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our August IPSY Glam Bag X, and these are the items that were included. Down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that was enclosed. Okay, now remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.